Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your Motorola Moto E22. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down to the bottom and find this button in this block, and then press and hold like this and drag to top to add. Now for save this editing, click back, and now when we got this button in the top navigation bar, press it, and before starting we got show touches on screen option. This position of switcher is turn off this option, and this it's activate this option, and tap start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.